Let's see how to get this cool PlayStation 2 filter for absolutely free. This PS2 effect is trending on TikTok, and you won't need any third-party applications, and you won't have to pay for anything. Just follow my steps and watch this video until the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. We'll only need the TikTok application for this, and make sure that your TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version. Now, let's open the application and go over to our search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, we have to type Retro Game Filter or Retro Game Effect. That's going to give us a couple of different filters at the very top of the screen, and you want to select this first filter right here that has this little AI text. That's going to open another page where we can see all the different videos that use this filter, and in order to create a video on our own, we will tap on this Use This Effect button at the bottom. That's going to open the TikTok camera for us, and we have our photo gallery option right here, and if you want to open your whole gallery, just tap on the little plus button and then select the photo from your gallery which you want to use with this cool effect. Then just wait a couple of seconds until TikTok analyzes your photo and applies the effect, and you will have a before and after animation, and you can see the PlayStation filter applied in real time. Just start recording your video, and that's it. That's how you can easily get the PlayStation 2 filter for your photos for absolutely free. If this video helped you out, then make sure you leave a like on this video, and I'll see you soon.